Welcome to a quick overview of CDRipper, which is available from EscSoft.com. This tool provides an easy way to copy CDs from any drive that you may have CDs in on your machine. As I'm using a laptop, I've just got one drive attached, and it will convert them to various audio formats. So what we have here on this panel, once the CD is detected and the tracks are listed, it will go off to the internet database and look for the track names, and it will populate the list box with those track names. It'll also search for the cover art and place it at the bottom here, and if the converted audio files support a cover art tag, then the image will be placed within that file. So on here you can either select the tracks you want to rip and then click the rip selected button. You can click rip all to do the entire list. You can cancel the ripping process while it's in progress if you wish. You can open the CD drawer, close the CD drawer and refresh the list. On the options panel you can select from a multitude of output formats. You've got WAV, MP3, WMA, OGG, AAC, AIF, AU, PAF, SVX, etc, etc. Full list is available on our website, so I'll just stick with MP3. You've got the option to generate a separate output file for each track. So for every track read, it will create a corresponding audio file. You can generate a single output file containing all of the selected tracks, and you can put in 1000 milliseconds would be 1 second gap between each track. You can select the output folder. You've got the format folder here, options which here you can, if you select none, it will just create all the audio files within the folder called CDRips. But you can get it to create subfolders. For example, specify an artist album would create a folder called CDRips/artist/album, and within that folder would then be placed those converted tracks. So for the purpose of this test, I'm going to do none. And here you can embed the album art if available, which we covered previously, and also you can apply normalization to the audio levels on those converted tracks. So on the file menu, you've got file exit, file video takes you to the YouTube channel, and about just gives you a basic information box. So what we'll do is start the ripping process. I'll pause it and then show you its completion. So here we go. At the bottom of the screen it shows you a status bar here at the bottom, which shows you its progress, how many tracks, how many selected, and progress bars. The first progress bar is for the overall progress, and the second progress bar on the far right bottom is for the current track, and also in the caption at the top of the form it gives you well, tells you what it's doing, a percentage and how many tracks it's done. This tool is freeware and it's only currently available in the English language. As you can see, the rip has now finished, and because we generated a single output file with all the tracks included, if we go to our music folder we can see the Smiths Hatful of Hollow.mp3, 129 meg. I'll just delete that and quickly show you the single individual files, and I'll pause it again until it completes. So generate single, let's go for AAC format, and I'll do the subdirectories this time. Here add some normalization. Start the rip. As you can see here, let's create the subfolder. And I'll just pause it for a moment. As you can see, the tracks have now completed being ripped from the CD, and if we look into the output folder we can see all of the tracks, and that concludes this small tutorial.